We're making Casey's birthday cake.
And it's recording.
And we're wearing warrior makeup while doing it.
Some budget cut.
This looks frosty.
Did it? You heard that version?
New Easter BAP.
Let's fix this.
So we watched the commercial for the SpongeBob Halloween episode, and this is what I did to Casey. Dan, hey, that's my coffee. Yes. This is what scares Casey because he thinks I'm still downstairs eating ice cream. It didn't work.
Stop eating my hand.
She fell down the stairs. I got a hair.
Segment. Yeah, you ran a lot in the store today. There was people at our Sherwood, and they were all Asian, and where we live, there's not that many.
They were actually all Korean.
They were all Korean.
And they all filed off a bus.
And it was really funny, because I had my headphones on, my big Hello Kitty headphones, which are on the bed. Don't show them the bed.
These headphones, they're really loud.
And I had Super Junior and like Shiny and all those would play. And we walked by them a lot. So they knew that we were K-pop fans. It was really funny.
And we started talking like small bits of Korean in front of them, and like they kept looking at us weirdly.
Oh, they were laughing at me because
she was dancing to Lucifer.
And she kept running away from me. And I'm like,
and I'm a lot faster.
I don't want to run. No, I'm faster than you. I just don't want to run.
I thought I was like full of energy in the store today.
Hang up the camera. Turn the camera off.
You're awkward. What?
It smells like perfume.
Perfume?
Yeah.
Hey! Jump on her, Sadie, jump!
Hi, Sadie! Hi!
Goo gooey high and nice.
What?
Reverse chair sitting.
Are you recording?
No.
Liar.
No.
You're a horrible liar. Good. I'm proud of you. You held back. Oh.
You look ridiculous.
Well, because you're not recording.
Yep.
You record me, I'm going to kill you.
Okay.
You're recording, aren't you?
No.
You're